this is a good prank or not, but Rick put a pickle on Arlie's car. Arlie, I heard that somebody pulled the most genius prank on you ever on Friday.
I didn't hear about it.
Apparently they put a pickle on your car.
Oh yeah, well, pickle on
Now on Highway 20 on the Twin Bridges.
Did you not see it?
I did see it. That far to get it off my truck.
Wait, you put it on his truck? And so your solution was to just drive off with the pickle on the windshield?
On its own path.
I had a feeling.
Jeremy brought the pickle in for unknown reasons and then gave it to Rick. I don't know, maybe as like a friendship gift or just, you know, have a pickle. It's a friendship pickle.
I was oblivious to why I got the dill pickle. Jeremy evidently thought it was really funny.
Oh, but your pickle, the pickle you recently gave to Rick, has been on an incredible journey.
Yeah.
Do tell, where did this pickle originally come from and what was its purpose?
Well, I don't know if anybody's seen Rick and Morty, but honestly, I thought it would be funny to play a joke and make a pickle Rick for Rick here in the shop, but Rick didn't know what it was.
What was your reaction to this pickle Rick that showed up?
I was just wondering why there was a dill pickle on my toolbox.
so really a dill pickle just showed up on your toolbox.
It was a lovely pickle.
Rick put it on Arlie's car. Arlie put it on Chris's car. Chris drove away with it on his car.
Oh, poor pickle Rick.
Rick, now you know what he thinks of you.
Poor Rick pickle.
And now he's on a new journey. Being turned into relish on the freeway.
Oh! Stephanie got the nastiest road run.